Hi, my name is Pedro. I would like a big brother to play football with or do whatever he wants.
Hi, my name is Riley and I would like a big sister to walk on the beach, pick up $2 and sand dollars.
Hi, my name is Gautama and I want a big brother to ride horses with and do whatever he wants.
Hi, I'm Aspen, and I would like a big sister to hang out with and do whatever she wants.
Hi, my name is Tylen, and I'd like a big brother to go to the movies with and play sports with and do whatever.
Hi, my name is Savvy, and I would like a big sister to go to the beach with.
Hi, my name is Bones, and I'm a big brother. I started being a big brother because I wanted to make a positive influence, but I had no idea what a positive influence my little would be on me.
Hello, my name's Becca and I'm a big sister. I love hanging out with my little sister and taking her to the movies.
Hi, my name is Emily. Big Brothers Big Sisters has been helping create childhood memories for 35 years in Mendocino County, and we have lots of opportunities for you to make a difference in our community. Our work is as elementary as putting a friend in a child's life and as essential as putting hope in their future. Call us at 964-1228 to get involved.
Become a
Big Brother, Big Sister today!
Woo!